Slow down, lie down. Remember, it's just you and me. Don't sell out, bow out. Remember how this used to be. I just want you closer. Is that alright? Baby, let's get closer tonight. Grant my last request and just let me hold you. Don't shrug your shoulders. Lay down beside me. Sure, I can accept that we're going nowhere, but one last time. Picking up the pieces of the wreck you went and left, and I'm dealing with dilemmas in my now so stressful life, and I'm drinking stronger spirits. I made my home here on the floor, and I'm losing all ambition and goals. And I'm going all out, and I'm thinking you're just as bad. Not sleeping at night, but I'm going from bar to bar. Why can't we just rewind? Why can't we just rewind? Why can't we just rewind? Cross the border into the big bad world, where it takes you about an hour just to cross the road, just to stumble across another poor old soul. From the dreary old lanes to the high street madness, I fight with my brain to believe my eyes, and it's harder than you think to delay this sadness that creeps up my spine and haunts me through the night. Life is good and the girls are gorgeous. Suddenly the air smells much greener now, and I'm wandering around with a half pack of cigarettes, searching for the change that I've lost somehow. These streets have too many names for me. I'm used to Glenfield Road and spending my time down in Orchid. I'll get used to this eventually, I know, I know. Where'd the days go when all we did was play, and the stress that we were under wasn't stress at all?